Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to get unlimited free traffic using an untapped free traffic source. I'm going to show you exactly how to blast an email out to 500 plus quality business opportunity seekers and start generating traffic within minutes. And I'm going to show you step by step how to do this, and I'm going to show you why people are ignoring this when it's very, very powerful. In fact, when I came across this traffic source, I realized that some of the top internet gurus are using this traffic source, and people are just ignoring it just because they believe it's this and it's that. But I'm going to show you the power of this untapped free traffic source. I'm going to log into my account. I'm going to show you how to write a quick email, click the send button for free, and you can blast this email out to minimum 500 business opportunity seekers. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time, then make sure you smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell. If you have questions, just leave a comment, click the share button, share this video with the people you care, and please give me a thumbs up. It will be appreciated. So let's get into this video. If you watched my previous video, in my previous video, I did go through this traffic source and I did cover a bit of stuff about this traffic source. It's an untapped traffic source which is ignored by hundreds and even thousands of people. But when I came across it and gave it a test ride, I am surprised and very, very happy, because after seeing the results, now I know why all the top internet gurus are using this traffic source and why they are hiding it, and they're not even telling people about it. They're not even sharing it. In fact, you have to buy one of their courses or the mentorship program. That's where they reveal this traffic source. And I don't know why they have been doing this. So I decided, let me give it a test drive myself. And when I saw the results, I'm saying I'm going to share this with my people. So here's what you need to do. Here's the link popping up on the screen right now. Open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will able to come to a page just like this. What you want to do, you want to scroll straight to the bottom, and you're going to see this here. It says here, yes, create my free account. You're going to click on this and you're going to create your free account. Now remember, when you will create your free account, on the way, you're going to get options of upgrading your account. That's optional, It's up to you if you want to upgrade. It's up to you if you don't want to upgrade. That's completely up to you. But if you don't want to upgrade, you can skip everything. Start off using the free method, the free traffic source. Start utilizing it, and when you see the power for yourself, and then you can upgrade later on. Alright, so link popping up on the screen. Just go up to this website address, open up a free account by coming to this page. You will also find all the top-notch links in my description box below this video. It's going to be all the links in the description box below this video. You can find it, and you're going to have some more links following up with some training teaching you how to go from 0 to 10k in commissions every single month. So let's get into this video and let me show you how to write a quick compelling email and blast it out to 500 plus business opportunity seekers. This is an untapped free traffic source, and you can start generating traffic very, very quickly and very, very fast. So I am in my dashboard right down here, and before I get into the dashboard, I want to tell you a couple of things about this traffic source. Number one, with this traffic source, you can promote your own product, you can promote your own system, you can promote Clickbank products, you can promote Warrior Plus products, you can promote JV Zoo products, you can promote anything out there. You can do direct linking as well. I recommend you promoting a landing page to build an email list. Very, very, very important. That's number one. Number two, you might be asking yourself, hey, I don't have my own product to promote. I don't have my own system. Then I am going to give you a product that you can have, you can sell as your own product and earn 100% profit. Also, you can learn how to make money online using this product. We have all the training, all the resources showing you step by step how to set this entire business system within 30 minutes and start selling it and start taking direct payments into your bank account, into your Stripe account, and even into your PayPal account. And the product is this one here. It's a complete done for you business in a box. It's a product that teaches how to make $100 plus every single day on Instagram, and then growing from $100 to $1,000 a day and getting unlimited free traffic. This is just not a product. You're getting the whole business in a box, where you get the reseller license to sell this product as your own product and earn 100% profit. And not just that, you're going to get the sales page, the thank you page, the members area, the email swap, everything, with all the training given to you, showing you step by step how you can put the puzzles together and set this up within 30 minutes to start driving traffic and start making sales and commissions. If you're interested in getting this product and having this product as your own product, so you can sell it, you can earn 100% profit, link popping up on the screen. Open up a new browser, pause this video, open up a new browser, go to this website address, and you will be able to get this product as it's running on a special price, special discount. And you're going to get 6 exclusive bonuses with this product. One of the bonus is the reseller license to sell this product as your own and earn 100% profit. This will build authority, this will build trust in the marketplace for yourself, and you will have something to sell as your own, putting your own price anywhere from $27 to $97 and earning 100% profit. So let's get into this. I'm in the dashboard of this traffic source, and I'm going to quickly write a quick email. So if you look at the history down here, you can see here I got 91 open, 39 clicks, sent 500 email out. All right, and I'm going to send another email out. So to do that, you need to click on send email. All right, and when you click on send email, you're going to come here. I'm going to click on create email, and then down here it's going to give me all the options down here. So if I come here, I could just select the previous one. I don't want to do that. URL, you are advertising. For this purpose, I am going to actually send them to my landing page. Okay, so I'm just going to come here, send them directly to my landing page. So let me just, okay, where was it? Right, there you go. Just put your link here. Okay, and then no obvious hard, what does it say? Okay, X-frame option, content security policy, no obvious hard block found. This is a header check only. Use a full preview page to confirm. Open the full. Okay, so let's just do that quickly. All right. Test whether a page can be displayed inside the list of frame. The preview below is the real test. Header checks are helpful, but not always perfect. Open in a new tab. Okay, there you go. Everything is good. All right. So you just want to make that test to make sure that everything is looking good here. Okay. And now I'm just going to write my quick email. So the first thing, I'm going to put the subject line. So I'm just going to go to one of my autoresponders down here. I'm going to choose a subject line, something like this, unclaimed. So I'm going to do that. Instead of putting an email here, I'm going to put the first name. So I'm just going to copy this first name here. Okay. All right. Simple as that. I'm going to do that. There you go. And then I'm going to just take that email. All right. So I'm just going to copy this entire email that I had here. All right. And I am just going to copy and paste. That's how easy it is, my friend. Okay. So let's do that. Now, because I'm a free member, I can't have clickable links in here, but still they will able to click because of my website here, and they will have a button to click, and there you go. Simple as that. All right. I'm not going to put my name here. I never put my name when it comes to not my own autoresponder, basically. Talk soon. Let's record talk soon, and then down here I'm just going to click on the send message. There you go. All right. And when that message goes out, instantly people start to open the messages, open the email, they click on the link, they see your page. If it's a product that you're promoting from Clickbank or any other affiliate marketplace, you're going to start seeing traffic, and perhaps if people love the product, you can also potentially see sales and commissions coming in. Okay, so you can do direct linking. And if you don't have your have anything to promote, you would like to have your own product that you want to promote in this case, then you can just buy this product here. The links are going to be in my description box, okay, below this video. So you could buy this product as your own product and start selling it and start generating commissions. Not just start with this product. In the members area, you will be able to set up multiple streams of income, so you could also sell this product and also make back-end commissions from different products and different systems. Okay, so if you're interested in buying this product, okay, the link popping up on the screen, go to this website address, purchase this product, and this is going to be your own product. All the training video is provided on how to set this up. Okay, and you're going to find all the links in the description box below this video as well. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Hopefully I will see you in the next video.